Hello everyone, I'm Zishan from Andheri. So today we have received this beautiful Bentley for rear entertainment screen console, which is broken. So basically, this customer has visited a dealership, authorized dealership, wherein he has quoted a very high cost to repair the screen. So I'll just take you through the process as well as I'll show you the screen damage, which is there in the car. So as you can see, the screen is just hanging, which has got damaged, which has come out from this place and is just hanging. So dealership has given a very high costing the estimate to get this fixed, wherein we'll get it fixed at a cheaper price. Over here, you'll get the solution for all the cars, all the premium cars which gets repaired, which dealership asks you to get it replaced. We'll get it repaired at a very cheapest cost and with best quality. So we'll show you the process how it is done with a technician. We'll remove it and we'll refix it properly